Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, a warm welcome to you. In today's video, I am going to be sharing an anti-aging recipe with you. As a matter of fact, it is one of my go-to recipe that I use on my skin to boost collagen and elastin, to brighten my skin, to tighten and firm my skin, my forehead, my laugh lines, my jawline. Now take a look at my skin, guys. Look at it carefully and let me reach for the remedy. Here is the remedy. Simple natural remedy. And what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to use this remedy on one side of my face. So look carefully. This is the before, and I'm going to apply it right here. And all I'm applying is 2 to 3 drops. That's 1 drop, 2 drops. Let's just do 2 drops. And I'm just going to take my finger, warm it up a bit, and now I'm going to put it in my laugh line. I'm just applying it on half a side of my face, filling in my laugh line, and then I'm going to go in with my hands and I'm just going to massage it on my face like this. Just massaging it. Live, direct video, guys. Just massaging, 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 and I'm going to be doing this for about a minute or so. Now once that is done, guys, I want you to look carefully at my face. Now this is the side that I just applied it on, and you saw what it looks like before, and now I'm going to be quiet and you be the judge. Just look how it just plumped my skin up. Look how it just softened my laugh line. Look at that natural glow on my skin. Amazing. And this is just a demonstration. So just imagine using this on your skin for at least 6 weeks, guys. Tighten and firm the skin. And now I'm just going to go back in and I'm just going to apply it on the other side of my face to just balance it out. Now this you're going to use all over your face, your neck, and your décolleté. Just lift, tighten, and plump the skin up. So guys, if you look at my face, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I just love this. Now I've been using this on my skin and I've been seeing great results. So guys, I'm going to share the recipe with you and you can try it at home to see if it works on your skin as well as it works on my skin. So now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Before I jump in the kitchen, however, guys, don't forget, if you're new here and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, this is the time to do so. Hit that subscribe button. We create amazing videos for you that can help to transform your skin. Watch the video to the end and give us a thumbs up. And also, guys, you can choose to visit our store, ALESMAXii.com, home of Khichi Beauty skincare products, where we have more anti-aging products for you that you can try. We will put some at the view products right here or some in the description box that you can click on. Now let's get in the kitchen and start transforming our skin. Now my first ingredient is going to be some honey. Today I'm using raw honey, unfiltered honey. Now honey keep your skin plump and reduce the look of fine lines. It is rich in antioxidants. It helps protect from damage caused by free radicals, slowing down visible sign of aging. It supports collagen. The nutrients can help maintain a firmer and more elastic skin. Honey help the skin recover from dryness, irritation. Its natural enzyme gently smooth the skin for a more youthful glow. It is a humectant, meaning that it locks moisture in the skin. Using honey on the skin is naturally gonna hydrate the skin, smooth the skin, and give your skin a soft, healthy glow. So I'm using a teaspoon of honey. You do not need a lot. You do not want this to be too sticky. So around about a teaspoon of the honey. My next ingredient is going to be aloe vera gel. Now aloe vera helps keep skin firm and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Its vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E help to protect against free radical damage that cause aging. It helps to plump the skin, making wrinkles look softer and less noticeable. It improves elasticity, maintain a smoother and more youthful texture. Aloe vera gel gel also help to reduce inflammation and soften rough, dry, patchy skin. It also helps to maintain a smoother, more youthful glow to the skin. Today I'm using 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. And now we're going to mix the aloe vera gel with the honey, totally blending the two together. We're mixing thoroughly. And you'll know when the honey is totally blended in the aloe vera gel. Just mix well. Using aloe vera and honey on the skin can help to transform your skin when used on a regular. Very smoothing, very hydrating, and is perfect for mature skin. Now take a look at this. This is also good even if you have oily skin, guys. And now we're going to move on to our next ingredient. My next ingredient is going to be some apricot oil. Now, apricot oil is rich in vitamin A and vitamin E, a slow visible sign of aging. It deeply nourishes the skin, penetrating easily, soften the skin, dry skin, aging skin without feeling heavy on the skin. It improves skin tone by brightening dull skin and even out uneven texture. It helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It helps to smooth and calm the skin, making mature skin look softer, smoother, and healthier. Lock moisture in the skin to keep the skin plump and youthful by strengthening the skin barrier. So I'm using a teaspoon of the apricot oil. If you do not have apricot oil, you can use some rosehip seed oil, some papaya seed oil, and even some jojoba oil. Searching for oil that is rich in vitamin A. Now we're just going to mix this in, totally dissolving the oil in the aloe vera and the honey mixture. So we're mixing well, blending well. Amazing ingredient combined together to erase wrinkles and fine lines and boosts collagen and elastin in the skin. And now, guys, for our final ingredient, we're going to reach for some vegetable glycerin. Now, vegetable glycerin is moisturizing, is hydrating. It helps to smooth the skin. But not only that, it helps to keep bacteria out of your DIY. And I'm using about a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin. We're adding this. If you do not have vegetable glycerin, go ahead and use some vitamin E oil for this mixture. And we are mixing well. And this smells amazing. Now we have one optional ingredient, and here it is. It is our star anise oil. It's an essential oil, a very strong oil. However, it helps to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. It helps to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. It's an oil that need a carrier oil. So all we're using from this is about 3 to 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Drops of the star anise oil. You do not need a lot, but it's very effective, especially when mixing it in this recipe. So now we are blending. And we are blending well. Here in our bowl, we have a teaspoon of honey, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. We also have a teaspoon of apricot oil, 4 drops of our star anise oil, and a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Now take a look at this, how thick or rich this is. Let's test it a little bit on the back of my hand. And we're just going to blend it in the skin like that. Oh, wow. Really soft, really smooth. Let's reach for our storage jar. Now here is the storage jar, and you want to make sure your jars are sterilized with an airtight cover. Now this remedy does not need refrigeration. Now let's just pour this in. Make sure to get everything out. And this is it here, guys. Take a look at this. This is your anti-aging facial moisturizer. Quick and easy. Perfect for all skin type. No need to refrigerate. 2 to 3 drops on the skin, preferably at night. You can use it with your favorite serum, favorite products, or you can use it as a standalone. Don't forget to apply this on the neck and décolleté, and you're on your way to gorgeous looking skin with a simple natural remedy that anyone can whip up in the comfort of their home. And there you have it, a quick, easy recipe that anyone can whip up in their kitchen. And it's really not about how easy this recipe is, it's about the way it just plump, firm, and tighten the skin. It's the way it gives the skin that natural glow, that firmness. Look at that. Amazing, guys.